Porting a mortgage is essentially done when you move house, so you move from one property to another. The way it works is you would stay with your existing lender, you would port the loan, the existing loan that you've got with that lender, to the next property, and that's in essence how it actually works. Now normally you would only do that if you have an early redemption penalty, usually classed as an ERC. So if this occurs and it makes sense not to pay the early repayment charge, you would certainly want to seriously consider porting. So when you actually port the loan across from one property to another, normally people would upsize rather than downsize. In the situation where you're actually upsizing, so you're actually paying more for the property, so in essence you would like more of a mortgage, you would port the existing loan that you have, and if you had to increase your borrowing, you would then pick another product with the same lender, which would be obviously almost definitely a different rate. So you have two interest rates with the same lender, but that way you avoid all early repayment charges. Normally with porting, you would do what's called a simultaneous move, so that's you actually move from one property to another on the same day, and that way all early payment charges are avoided. In some circumstances, what can happen is the client can actually move out of the existing property and perhaps not move into the new one, say up to 3 months, maybe 6 months. In that situation, the majority of lenders, what they will do is simply take the early repayment charge when you move out of the old property, and when you move back into the new property within 3 or 6 months, the early repayment charge is usually refunded in full as long as you're not downsizing. If you are downsizing, which is quite uncommon usually, but it can happen, what would happen in a situation like that is you would only pay the early repayment charge on the part that you've downsized on. So for example, if your existing mortgage was higher than the new mortgage you want to take out, you would only pay the early repayment charge on the difference between the two. If you want any more information, please get in touch with us here at ESPC Mortgages, either via the website or call the FS Inquiry Desk on 0131 624 8680. Thank you.